Hi of you. What is this? This is so colorful and it has something like balls and rods. Are you going to play some game?
No, we are playing Abacus.
Abacus. Oh, so this is called Abacus?
Yes.
Oh, I've heard of it so many times, but I never got a chance to see. Oh, it looks very nice. But what do they do with this?
They do maths.
Maths with this? But maths means it's about numbers, right?
Of course.
But how can I show numbers on this?
With the beads, you have to make numbers.
Wow, that sounds really interesting. Can you teach me abacus?
Yes.
Thank you. So shall we start?
Yes.
Okay, so what is this called actually? What is this called?
Rectangle?
Okay, so this is an abacus instrument?
Yes.
Okay. So what is this rectangle?
Frame.
Oh, okay. And what other parts are there in this?
These are beads.
Okay.
And this is the divider.
Okay, so because it is dividing the abacus into two parts?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And this is the unit point.
Oh, so there are so many points. So all these are unit points, the
No.
white ones?
This is only the unit point, which is in the middle. That is only the unit point.
Oh, okay. So the middle one is called the unit point.
Yes.
Okay.
And this is called unit rod.
Okay, so the rod here is called the unit rod.
And
okay.
this is called lower beads. And
Okay.
these are called upper beads.
Oh, okay. So the beads which are above the divider are called upper beads.
Yes.
And the beads which are below the divider are called the
lower
beads.
Lower beads.
Oh, okay. That sounds interesting. But how do we show the numbers in this?
But do you want me to do it, make it straight?
Yeah, how do we start showing the numbers? So first,
join both of these fingers.
like this, join means?
Yes.
Oh, the index and the thumb and the index finger.
Yes.
Okay.
And now at the starting, you have to hold it and move it like this so that the beads can go to its place.
Okay, so this is the initial position.
Yes.
Before we start doing the abacus maths.
Yes.
Is it? Oh, okay. I get it.
And do you know?
So, like all the beads should be down and here all the beads should be up, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And actually these two fingers are called, this is called lazy thumb and this is called snake finger.
Oh, okay. So the index finger is called the snake and the thumb is called the lazy thumb. Yes?
Yes.
So we use these two fingers
Yes.
for working with numbers in abacus?
Yes.
Oh, that's really interesting.
And now how to make one?
Okay, so
Let's start with number 1.
okay. Yeah, how to show number 1?
At the next to the unit point with the lazy thumb, at the blue beads, you make one of the blue bead come up. That becomes 1.
Oh, so this means 1. Okay, so if I move a bead to the divider using the thumb up, so this means 1?
Correct? But one more thing, only at the unit point.
Oh, so I cannot do it wherever I want.
No?
Okay, so 1 means I have to show it at the unit rod.
Yes.
Oh, and I have to move it to the unit point.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So then how do we show the number 2?
2 you have to take with the lazy thumb, take 2 beads at the front.
Oh, okay. So earlier we took 1 bead up to show 1. So now to show 2, we are taking the 2 beads up. Is it? Wow, so I get it now. Can I try 3?
Yes.
Okay, so this is 3 and I will try to push 3 beads one after another up.
But
So
one
is
more...
this correct?
No.
Oh, why? But I kept the 3 beads up.
I know, but you did with the snake finger is for keeping it down.
For pushing it up, okay.
No,
Huh.
the lazy thumb is for pushing up. The snake finger is for pushing down.
Oh,
And
okay.
one more thing is mistake. See, while you're doing, you should not do like this. That's
Okay.
wrong. You have to do with all the 3 to up.
Oh, okay. So I should not do one by one. I should push all of them together up. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, and we use these 2 fingers because later on we can move them faster, right?
Yes.
Now I understand. It's easy for me to move the beads up using my thumb, and it's easy for me to move the beads back using my index finger.
If you keep on practicing, then it will come.
Oh, okay. That sounds nice. Okay. So now let's go to the number 4. So this also I think I can do it. So as you're told, I'm going to move now all the 4 beads to the unit point.
Yes.
So is this correct?
Yes.
Wow, I did it. Good. Oh, now, okay, I understand that 4 means I have to move 4 up. But now I have a question. How to show 5? Because there are no 5 beads here.
I know.
So how to show 5? There are only 4 beads.
But with the snake finger, do you know that 5 is up and the lower beads are down? So with the snake finger, you have to make it down. And with the thumb finger, you have to make it up. And now this is called 5.
Oh, okay. So the upper bead is used to represent 5.
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's nice. Okay, now I get it. What is 5? Wow, it looks really interesting. So, okay, I understood what you have taught me today, but can we revise once? Shall I tell you whatever I've understood? Can you
Yes.
correct me?
Yes.
Okay. So, to start with, this is called the abacus instrument.
Yes.
Correct? And this rectangle thing is called the frame.
Correct.
And the line which is dividing the abacus or the frame into 2 parts is called the divider.
Correct.
And only the center point is called the unit point,
Correct.
not the other white points.
Correct.
And the rod at the center point is called the unit rod.
Correct.
And we should start counting from this unit point and unit rod.
Correct.
And not from other places.
Correct.
Good. And these are called the beads.
Correct.
And these are the lower beads and these are the upper beads.
Correct.
That's good. And to represent numbers, we use only the 2 fingers, the thumb and the index finger. The
Correct.
thumb is called the lazy thumb and this is called the snake finger.
Correct.
Oh, okay. So to show 1, I need to move 1 bead to the center point.
Correct.
Correct? And to show 2, I have to push it back, and now I have to show 2 by moving 2 beads to the center point.
Correct.
Okay. Okay, now 3. For 3, I need to move 3 beads all together up to the center point to show
Correct.
3. And to reset it, move all of them back.
But I'll tell you something.
Huh?
For all the numbers only you have to move it back. But like 5 minutes you have to move it also back.
Okay, when we keep the bead towards the center point, then it is counting, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now for 4, I have to move all the 4 beads to the center point. Right?
Correct.
So that is 4. So 4 is done. I'm moving the beads back. Now to show 5, I have to move the upper bead to the center point. So that
Correct.
is 5. So 5 is also done. Wow, thanks Avyu. Thanks for teaching me abacus. Now I have an idea about it. And I got an idea how to show the numbers using abacus.
You're welcome, Mummy. At next class, I will teach you more about abacus.
Wow,